Hello children, how are you all? Hope all of you are fine, enjoying, right? And I'm sure you are learning also, right? So today I'm here with the chapter, the questions, 3 questions, and this is part 2. You have gone through the first part, and now here I'm with the second part of the chapter, right? So you came to know that the king was willing to get answers of 3 questions, and when he didn't get answers of these 3 questions, he decided he should go to meet a saint, a hermit, and for that he had to go to a forest, a jungle, right? And a saint, a hermit, as he is a very simple person, so the king decided he will also go in a simple way. The king decided to meet a hermit to get answers of these 3 questions, right? So he planned like this way. The king decided to go with an ordinary dress because a hermit is a very simple man. He felt he should go alone without his courtiers or without his men and horses also. He left all his men and horses and reached at the hermit's place alone. The hermit was digging the earth. The hermit was digging the earth. When he reached there, the king saw the hermit was digging the earth. The king wished him, and the hermit also wished him back without looking at the king. The hermit, he was not knowing who is that man. Without looking at him, he also wished him back. The hermit was busy with his work. The king asked again and again, but the hermit didn't answer the king. Hermit, he came here to get answers of these 3 questions. Again and again he asked, but the hermit was busy at his work and he didn't give answer of these 3 questions. The king asked to help the hermit. Now the king was thinking, how I will get these answers of 3 questions. So after that, what did he do? The king asked the man to help. The king asked to help the hermit as he was old and sweating heavily. The king saw the hermit was sweating heavily, and he was very old also, so he asked him to help him. The hermit allowed the king to help him. Till the evening, the king digged and stopped as he was very tired. He was the king. He didn't have idea how to work, and he didn't work hard since ever. So here he digged till the evening, so he got tired and stopped his work. Now the king got fed up asking questions and requested the hermit to give the answers of these 3 questions or say no. The king got fed up asking questions to get the answers of these 3 questions. Now finally he said, when he got tired, worked hard, and in the evening he asked the hermit, okay, fine, if you are not going to give answers, just say no. Then I will leave the place. I will go back to my palace. He didn't mention palace, right? He was not saying, I am the king. Okay, he is an ordinary man. He requested, give me answers of these 3 questions, or you say no, I will go back. At that time, a bearded man was coming towards them. The man came and fell on the ground. That time a bearded man was coming towards them. The man came and fell on the ground. He was wounded, holding his stomach as it was bleeding heavily. He was holding his stomach tightly towards his stomach. And how tightly? Why? To stop bleeding. It was bleeding heavily, so he tried to stop bleeding by holding his stomach towards his stomach tightly. The king and the hermit tried to help the man till the bleeding stopped. So it was their duty to help the man as he was wounded and bleeding was also there. So being human being, that was their duty to help the man. So they helped the man till the bleeding stopped. The man slept nicely. After that, the man slept nicely. The king also had good sleep on the ground as he was very tired. The king, he never did this type of work. So hard work after hard work, he was also tired and he also had a nice sleep on the ground. In the morning, the bearded man requested the king to forgive him as he wanted to kill him. In the morning, the bearded man requested the king to forgive him as he wanted to kill the king. He wanted to kill the king. He was knowing he is the king, but the hermit was not knowing. Once his brother, now the king asked, why should I help? Why should I forgive you? Then he explained, the bearded man said, once his brother was killed by the people of the king and seized his property. That's why the bearded man wanted to take revenge. He said, once my brother was killed by you, so that, and property was also taken, seized by you and your people. So that's why I wanted to have a revenge. That's why I came here. The man was waiting for the king. He said, I was waiting from a hidden place, but the king's men, but your men recognized him and tried to kill the man. Means he was saying, I was waiting for you only from a hidden place, but your people recognized me and they tried to kill me. He said that I just rushed to save my life and you saved my life, otherwise I would have died. आपने मेरा जान बचाया, मैं तो उन्होंने मेरे को हिट किया है. They were trying to kill me, that's why I rushed towards you and you saved my life by giving nice first aid, otherwise I would have died. So that's why you just forgive me, because it was my intention to kill you, to take a revenge. The bearded man thanked the king. The bearded man thanked the king and said, I would serve for you till I die. Even I will ask my son to serve for you. You saved my life, otherwise I would have died. At last, the king again pleaded to get the answers. The man, he went back. Now, who are there? The king and the saint. So, at last what happened? The king came here to get the answers of these three questions as that wounded man, bearded man left the place. And now the king and the saint are there. The king again pleaded to get the answers while the hermit was digging the earth. So next day in the morning again, that was his duty. Again he started digging the earth, and that time the king again asked, again pleaded again and again, please give me answers of these 3 questions. I came here to get the answers of these 3 questions from you. The hermit said him that you already know the answers. Now the king got surprised. Oh my God, I came here to get answers. So many people came from here and there. They tried to give me answers. I didn't get answers. And now the hermit says, I know the answers. How? So the king was very surprised. The king was very surprised to know that from the hermit. When the hermit said, you know the answers, so the king got very surprised. He was very surprised. How? The hermit said that if I would have given you the answers, you may leave the place. The hermit said, if I would have given the answers to you, you may leave the place. You might have been killed by the bearded man if you would have left. अगर मैं उसी टाइम आपको जवाब दे देता तो आप तो चले जाते, एंड वहाँ जो आपके bearded man वेट कर रहा था वो आपको किल कर देते. I am the right man who did not give you answers, and you pleaded again and again. So I am the right person to save your life. That was my work. I gave priority to my work. I didn't give answer because I was busy at my work. I was digging. I gave priority to my work. I gave priority to the time. That time it was my work. So I gave priority to my work. I didn't give you answer. And because of that, you didn't leave the place. And if you would leave the place, you may killed by the bearded man. I am the right man who did not give you answers, and you pleaded again and again. I am the right man to save your life. I didn't give you answer. The hermit said that the most important time is now. The most important time is now. Follow now. What are you doing? That is more important. That is the most important part in your life. Follow now. Forget about future, forget about past. Where you are, what are you doing? Give priority to that particular moment and concentrate and do that work. Then success will come. If you are forgetting your present, if you are forgetting your now, and if you are concentrating future, you will not complete your work, you will not be expert of your work, and you will not get success. The most important time is now, when you felt that the wounded man is to be given first aid. If we did not help the man would have been died. That was the right time. That was the right time. That was the time for giving priority. The most important person is with whom you are. The hermit said, I did not give you answer because I found my work is most important job at the moment. So you waited for the answers and saved. You are being saved by me. Give priority to the present time. Give priority the work you are doing now. The right time or moment was that when you pleaded again and again and I did not give you answers. So we should go with the situation, with the current time, to do anything in a better way. Forget about your past, forget about your future. You need not to ask advices from others. You follow your advice. Just follow now. Do now. What are you doing now? Present time, now. If you are concentrating at your present work, success will come. You will be successful. So, hope you understood. Thank you so much. Go through again and again this video. Wherever you are having or you are facing problems, you can call me. I will help you out. Till now, bye. Take care. Be safe at home. Follow instructions given by your parents. Obey them and help them also. Bye. Take care.